Feels like I have no friends, no friend, no enemies. Holy TG, him is no reason. I go different, he gave me the mission. But we'll be just, you gotta reach out.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well. Yes, it's been a while since my face has been up on your screen, but yeah, I'm here. The funny thing is, this is take 2 basically, because I'm filming this video again for you guys. Like, I actually filmed it and edited it and everything, and it was ready to go. And then me and myself, I kind of deleted some of the files by accident, so like I couldn't even save the video to post. I don't need to wait till January to create some New Year's resolutions. You know, you can start anytime. You know, you don't have to wait until the new year to try and improve yourself or do better, you know? So that's why I'm doing this video. So I'm here filming it again for you guys. So this is actually take 2, but you know, we go again. So yeah, let's get into it. Before we do, if you like the video today, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all of that. And yeah, let's get into it. I'm well aware that we are more than halfway through the year right now. I'm fully aware that we're in August right now. But, you know, I don't have to wait till the new year to, you know, make some changes and try and do better. And specifically try and do better for my hair. So I was like, let me just film this video about natural hair resolutions, goals, whatever I'm gonna call it, and just, yeah, say some of the things that I'm gonna try and improve on and hopefully carry through and actually do. So yeah, let's get into number 1. Natural hair resolution number 1 is to create a hair schedule. Oh, sorry, by the way, guys, if I look this way, look down, I'm looking at my phone. So it's to create a hair schedule and actually stick to it. So my problem with my hair routine and stuff is finding one that works for me or creating a new one and just kind of letting it slip and not following through with it after a while. Just kind of not let myself slack with it, like especially when I find like one that works and that is going well and all of that, just kind of carry it on through for a very long time, instead of like the short periods that I'll go back to maintaining my hair well and stuff like that, which is really not good. So yeah, I need to work on that. Resolution number 2 I've put to stop neglecting my hair, which kind of goes hand in hand with creating a hair schedule and sticking to it. You'll find out probably a lot of these goals and resolutions are like go hand in hand and are like domino effects with each other. Like they all help each other if I do them. So yeah, I put stop neglecting my hair, not letting it get dry so often, and doing a lot more deep conditioning treatments, which my hair actually needs right now. Like right now. Because can you guys believe, let me come a bit closer, I don't even know if it will focus. Can you guys believe that there is no product whatsoever in my hair? This is literally just shampooed it, conditioned it, rinsed the conditioner out, and this is it after I plaited it up and I just let it out. So my hair is actually in need of a deep conditioning treatment right now. More things like that, things like deep conditioning treatments, hot oil treatments, just things like that that just help the overall health of my hair, and just, yeah, stop neglecting it basically, because it's not good. Yeah, I'm a bit all over the place with this, so bear with me guys, because it just feels like deja vu because I've done it already. So it's just, yeah, it just feels a bit weird because I've said these things already because I'm filming it again, but bear with me. Then natural hair resolution number 3 that I've put is to plait my hair up every night. So this is like going in hand with the last 2, more so the last one about stop neglecting my hair, because I have a tendency to say if I've gone out and I've whatever style I'm wearing, whether it's this style that I'm rocking right now, the high puff, a braid out, I don't know, a low puff, a bun, anything like that, I just tend to come back from wherever I've gone, or even if I've just stayed in the house, I just won't plait up my hair at night time. And so that's a problem, because it just creates tangles, and it makes my life more difficult basically, because there's just tangles. There's not that extra half an hour is going to take me to plait up my hair at night. I should just really just do it, because because it just saves me from just feeling emotional later when I have to deal with what I didn't deal with the night before. So yeah, that is, but to be honest, I've actually been quite good with that, because these past couple of weeks I have been plaiting up my hair like every single time, like I've let it out or whatnot. Bearing in mind, if I'm not going anywhere, I don't let my hair out of the plaits that is in, and it's just under its bonnet. But when it is, I have been quite good with that. So yeah, a lot of these I have been doing already that are on this list, but I just wanted to include them just to look back at them. So yeah, you guys are on this journey with me. Number 4, I've put gonna try a wash and go. I don't know about this one. I've put try a wash and go, and I don't know why that's on the list, because it's not something that like I really feel like I have to do, or it's like a desire to do. But I guess I'll put it on there because it's one of those things that I will end up eventually trying, just to say that I've tried it, if you know what I mean. So I probably will try a wash and go at some point, just to say that I've done it and see what the results are. But it's not like at the top of my list to do. That's like a goal. It's probably, yeah, it's not like a desire of mine, but I will just probably try it for like a video or something and see how it turns out. But honestly, the idea of a wash and go is just not, like for me, no, like I could just imagine already the tangles and the knots and the shrinkage. Not that shrinkage is bad, but it just causes tangles and stuff. So I probably will do it, but just the thought of it is just not sitting right with me at the moment. But there probably might be a video on it or something, or on my Instagram, we'll see. Number 5 I've put is to find out my hair porosity. I can't even, can I say that I found out my hair porosity? I'm still a bit confused about it. But I do feel like it's something that I should have known, not even before. Probably towards the start of my hair journey would have been ideal. Because I have been quite like unsure of what porosity level my hair falls into, because I feel like I have different ones in different parts of my hair, which is quite annoying, but yeah. Okay, next resolution. I think I'm gonna do 2 more and save the rest for another video. But the next one that I've put is, the next one I've put is play with more colours. Already did blue, want to try other colours, and I've put not going to actually dye my hair. So by that I meant, as in, I'll put the picture here of what my hair looked like when it was blue. Temporarily, of course, because I used hair paint wax. So yeah, that's what my hair looked like when it was blue. I did enjoy that blue phase. Kind of want to try different hair colours, and I've come to the conclusion that I'm actually not going to dye my hair, like for real, with actual dye, and I'll just probably stick to hair paint wax, just because I'm just, I don't know, I might change my mind in the future about it, but for now, I don't really want the chemical damages and yeah, all that kind of weakening of the hair and stuff that I've read about and whatnot. But I know there are safer ways to do it and whatnot, but I just feel like I just prefer the hair paint wax. Yeah, the hair paint wax way, just so I could just wash it out and be done with it when I feel like it, even though it's a bit messy. But yeah, I feel like I just prefer that. And this goes for either if I do it with my own hair or like I do it with some kind of extensions or anything like that, just more colour, because even when I do my extensions, it's just like I just do black. I switch it up and do like, I don't know, like dip dye, so it's like blonde at the end or like a brownie colour, but we shall see. That is another one on the list. And for the last one, I've put try more out there styles, not just the ones that I rock all the time, but protective styles included. So yeah, I just want to try out different styles of my hair, and not just the usual ones that I'm used to, like my everyday styles, like my buns, my puffs, high puffs, low buns, high buns, braid outs, twist outs. I rarely do twist outs, so it's mostly braid outs, and yeah, and other stuff that I do, but it's usually those styles that are my main everyday ones. And then protective styling as well. In most of my videos, or on my Instagram page. I will put my Instagram page here if you're interested in following it and seeing what I do on there with like hair tutorials and stuff and whatnot. You will see I have my favorite protectors down there is Marley twist to do, whether that's big Marley twist or small Marley twist. I love Marley twist. I just feel like it suits my face shape and just suits me and everything like that. So I just probably want to switch it up, do more styles like box braids, like faux locks, passion twist, stuff like that, you know what I mean? Passion twists, just different kind of styles, and kind of more styles with my actual natural hair as well. Like, I don't know, like a faux hawk kind of thing. Yeah, just switch it up and just be more like versatile with my hair and whatnot, because there is actually quite a lot that I could do with it. It's just actually doing it and executing it. So yeah, I am quite excited to embark on that. That is it, guys. That is all the natural hair goals slash can't speak. Yeah, that is all the natural hair resolutions and goals that I have for now. I do have more on this list, but I didn't want to include all of them in this video, so I'll probably do that in a separate video. But let me know down, oh, I don't know why my voice went like that. Let me know down below if you agree with any of them, or they're the same as yours, or like you have any of your own. Like, let me know, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.